Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Siti Fatima As-Zahra S. I'm from PBIA. My ID number 20400124019. Okay, next I will explain the answer that I have summarized in one file. First, what is the distinctive feature? Use at least and theory to explain your answer. In order to understand what distinctive feature is, it's essential that we know its definition. One of definition of distinctive feature is available on link. In which distinctive feature is defined as something unique or different that sets someone or something apart from the rest. Number 2. What do you know of consonant letters and consonant sounds? Are they different? Explain your answer with at least a theory and give example. My answer, a consonant letter is a written symbol in the alphabet that represents a consonant sound, while a consonant sound is a unit of linguistic sounds that is produced by narrowing or blocking the flow of air in the vocal tract. So, this is important because in English, a consonant letter, for example, C, G, S, may represent two different consonant sounds. Number 3. What types of consonant letters do Indonesian learners of English need to be aware of? To help Indonesian students pronounce English words correctly, it is important for them to understand the representation of consonant sounds. In addition to recognizing the consonant letters themselves, the consonant letters need to be known are B, C, D, F, G, H, G, S, T, V, W, then C, etc. However, some of these consonants can be pronounced in more than a way or represent two different consonant sounds. The expectation to these are the letters C, G, H, Q, S, and X. Okay, and the last number 4. How do you produce the consonant letters such as A, S, or ES ending of nouns and verbs, B, A, D ending of verbs, and C, consonant combination or blended sounds? My answer, A. First, as for many Indonesian learners of English, producing consonant sounds in S or ES ending of nouns, pluralization, and verbs, the first singular subject and simple present, is somewhat problematic since they tend to produce sound S for all ending both in noun and verbs, while native speaker of English produces the type of consonant sound in ES or ES verb. Number 2. Into the problem in producing consonant sounds in S, ES ending, the Indonesian learners of English also find it difficult to produce consonants. So in the ed ending of verbs, they generally tend to produce sounds ed as in the word stop. This happens because a few learners know that native speaker of English has their types of consonant regarding the production of sound in ed ending verbs. There are sounds D, sound D, and sound A. And thus, in English, consonant sounds are not only produced when articulation letter, but some are also produced the letters combination in English word, which result in both single consonant and combination of consonant sounds. This method is also called a blended sounds, that is grouped or two or three consonant sounds in the word school. In the word, we can see consonant letters combination that such. The letter combination is the product as SK in the pronunciation of the word in which the word school is pronounced as school in English. Knowing how to produce consonant blends will be very helpful in improving the learner's pronunciation skill and English science. The ability of producing blended consonant sounds correctly will be able to make the learner pronunciation sounds natural. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Good. See you in next video.